Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. My name is Muhammad Aliff bin Abdullah. I am the leader of my team, Group A, and we are from SC110. And then they are my teammate, AZRA HUMAIRA binti SAMSU Alam and Howard Valentine WILLARD. In this video, we want to present two chapters from Business Mathematics called Compound Interest and Annuity. Now, we need to do a quick revision about compound interest and annuity.
Okay, for the first question, Ernie wishes to invest 40,000 ringgit in a bank for 5 years. She has two options, Bank A and Bank B. For Bank A, the interest rate is 3.5% compounded quarterly. For Bank B, the interest rate is 4% compounded monthly. Which option should she choose for better financial return? Okay, now we are going to calculate the accumulated amount for Bank A and Bank B. For Bank A, the P equals to 40,000 ringgit, the T equals to 5, K equals to 3.5, equals to 0.035, M equals to 4 because compounded quarterly, I equals to 0.035 over 4 equals to 7 over 800, N equals to 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. We're going to use the future value formula to find the accumulated amount, that is S. So the formula is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. S equals to 40,000 bracket 1 plus 7 over 800 close bracket to the power of 20. S equals to 40,000 bracket 1.190339799 close bracket. S equals to 47,613 ringgits and 59 cents. Now we're going to calculate the accumulated amount for Bank B, that is S. P equals to 40,000 ringgit, T equals to 5, K equals to 4, equals to 0.04, M equals to 12 because compounded monthly, I equals to 0.04 over 12 equals to 1 over 300, N equals to 12 multiplied by 5 equals to 60. We're going to use the same formula, that is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of M. So S equals to 40,000 bracket 1 plus 1 over 300 close bracket to the power of 60. S equals to 40,000 bracket 1.220996594 close bracket. The S equals to 48,839 ringgits and 86 cents. Okay, the answer is MA should choose Bank B because it gives higher financial return for 48,839 ringgits and 86 cents. Question 2. 9 years ago, I deposit RMX into a saving account at ABC Bank. The interest rate is 3% compounded quarterly for the first 5 years and 4.5% compounded every 2 months for the rest of the period. If the accumulated amount in the saving account at the end of 9 years is 10,000, find the value of X. First, we're going to list down all the information that have been given. Secondly, we're going to calculate the 4 years first in order to find P2. So the formula we're going to use is future value formula, that is S2 equals to P2 bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of N. So 10,000 equals to P2 bracket 1 plus 3 over 400 bracket to the power of 24. So we're going to solve the bracket first, and then we're going to change place the 10,000 with P2. After that, we're going to get we're going to divide 10,000 with the answer from the brackets, and we're going to get the answer 8,358 ringgits and 31 cents. Now we're going to calculate the rest of the years, that is 5 years. So S1, we're going to use the answer from P2, that is 8,358 ringgits and 31 cents in order to find P1. So we're going to use the same formula, that is future value formula, that is S1 equals to P1 bracket 1 plus I brackets to the power of N. So 8,358.31 equals to X brackets 1 plus 3 over 400 brackets to the power of 20. We're going to solve the bracket first, and then we're going to change place the 8,358.31 with the X. So we're going to 8,358.31, we're going to divide it with the answer from the brackets, and then we're going to get the answer, that is 7,198 ringgits and 9 cents.
Question 3 states that 16,000 ringgit is deposited with K%. That is compounded every 3 months, and after 3 years it is 18,500 ringgit. For A, we will find I, which is interest. We will use this formula, I equals to S minus P. From question 3, S is 18,500 ringgit and P is 16,000 ringgit. Substitute the amount into the formula and we will get I equals to 2,500 ringgit. For B, we will find K%. We will use the formula S equals to P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket to the power of N. From question 3, S is 18,500 ringgit, P is 16,000 ringgit, T is 3 years, M is 12 over 3, which is 4, N is 4 times 3 equals to 12. Substitute all the information into the formula to get I, which is 0.01217198373. Then, using formula I equals to K over M, we will substitute the information and get K equals to 4.87%.
Now for question 4, Amir sold a commercial lot for 180,000 and he used 60% of that money as a down payment for a new semi-detached house costing 850,000. He took a 30-year housing loan for the remaining amount at 4.6 interest per annum, compounded monthly. Now, we need to extract all the information in the statement and solve all the questions. Question A. Find the monthly payment. We will use the present value formula. First, we need to put all the available information inside the formula, then we solve it using a calculator and get Rm 3,803.82 cents as the monthly payment. Next is question B. Calculate the interest charge. In this question, I will use the interest paid formula where amount of periodic payment minus present value. After we solve it, we will get Rm 627,375.20 cents. Next, question C. After paying his 288 payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Now, we need to find the balance. First, we need to find the new interest period. 360 minus 288 equal to 72, and we will use the present value formula. Like usual, put all the information in the formula and resolve it to get Rm 238,932.73 as the balance. Lastly, question D. If he fails to pay the first 5 monthly payment, find the amount he has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. For your information, the interest period is 6 in this question. We will use the future value formula. As usual, we need to put all the information above inside the formula. Then we solve it using a calculator to get Rm 23042.76 cents as the amount he has to pay.
Question 5 states that Chong buys a TV which is 18,999 ringgit. Then he makes a down payment of 15%. The remaining is paid under an agreement with a bank that charges 5.35% per annum compounded monthly. He pays monthly installment of 488 ringgit to settle the loan. Chong wants to know how long will it take. From the question, we are required to find the T, which is the time. We will use the formula A equals R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket to the power of negative n over I, close bracket. From question 5, M is 12, K is 0.0525, N is 12 times T, which is 12T, I is 0.0525 over 12 equals to 17 over 1,600. Down payment is 18,999 times 15%, which is equals to 2,849 ringgit and 85 cents. And A is 18,999 ringgit minus 2,849 ringgit and 85 cents is equals to 16,149 ringgit and 15 cents. Substitute the information into the formula, then when we get 1.004375 to the power of negative 12t equals to 0.85522022228. We will now apply logarithm rule to find t. Log 10 1.004375 open bracket negative 12t close bracket equals to log 10 0.85522022228 will be negative 12t equals to log 10 1.004375 over log 10 0.58552202228 will then be negative 12t equals to negative 35.82586071, and then we will be able to find the t, which is 3 years.